Good evening, everyone. I just got home from work and I wanted to make a quick video just to show you the capabilities of the Peekron F3000. My F3000 is only powered by the sun. I have these EcoFlow solar panels on the roof that charge it all during the day. And so at nighttime I pull from this thing to power some electronics, but this is just going to be a general test to show you what it can do. So it is currently at 88%. It's just been drawing the sun all day. I got two extension cords here because these are high draw items right here. So what we're gonna do is pour the water in the Keurig. Make sure that's ready to go. That's blinking, and now I'm gonna make sure that the induction hot plate, the Amazon, is on level 8. We're gonna put the water on here. It's starting, and then we're gonna start the Keurig. And that's drawing as well. So right here, you can watch, we are pulling 1772. Might actually start going up. There we go, 3150. 87, we're already down 1% from the Peekron. Both items are currently working. We're starting to get some bubbles. This is heating. You can hear the water going down into the heating element. Currently, the Peekron is pulling almost 3,200 watts. We burned 1%, 2% now. The inverter on this on the Peekron is approximately 3,600 watts, so it can run both of these devices no problem for a short period of time. You can even charge the car with this, but it will drain it very quickly. Still pulling 3,000 watts. You can see we've got the water coming out now. Once the Keurig starts to let out the hot water, it's no longer, the heating element's no longer being used, so now we're at 1744 watts. So the Keurig's already done. We're currently at 85%. The Amazon Basics Induction hot plate is starting. We've got about a quart of water in there, but it's rolling. We got the hot water in the Keurig. Still at 85%. Remember, we started with 88. We've currently got some steam coming off of the pot. I would say we probably got about another minute or two until this starts to boil. So that's all. I just wanted to show everybody the capabilities of the Peekron, running high-powered electronics like this to, cook a meal or something like that if you were a nomad. All this stuff folds up really cleanly. The Peekron, I pulled it up out of the sub trunk just so it's easier to see it, but it just sits right in the sub trunk. It's not even in the way, and because of the flat top on it, you can set stuff right on it and it doesn't get in the way. So still rolling, you can see we got little bubbles coming up at the bottom there. This is the Amazon Basics Induction hot plate. This thing, I think it runs just about 55 or 60 bucks. So you can see we're really starting to get some real boiling in there now. It's almost starting. Peekron is still pulling 1749. We're at 83%. We started at 88. It's important to note all these devices, I have not charged the Peekron with anything other than solar since I got it. So all of this is being generated with solar power that is, my car collects while it's at work. So that's really about it. The video is reaching about 5 minutes. I just wanted to show you we are almost at a boil by now. You can see it's getting really steamy. But we just made a cup of coffee and we're boiling some water. You can make tea with this, you can make your dinner, and then everything just goes right back in the car. Easy cleanup. So we're currently at 82%. There we go. We got a rolling boil. About 5 minutes 30 seconds into the video, and the Peekron is at 82%. We started at 80 or 88, so that's approximately 6% of the Peekron to make yourself a cup of coffee and boil a quart of water. Thank you for watching. This is Dark Star Media.